children, this class is for Standard 5 and the subject is Mathematics. In this class, we are going to cover chapter number 1, the place value, exercise 1.4. Topics covered in this class are converting the Hindu-Arabic numeral into Roman numeral, converting the Roman numeral into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Let us see what is Roman numerals. Roman numbers. Where do we see these Roman numerals? We can see in our watches. We can see some of the building names in foreign countries are described using these Roman numbers. Similarly, we can see these Roman numbers in books. In wall clocks, we can see these Roman numbers. Roman symbols. There are 7 Roman symbols used in Roman numerals. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So these are the 7 symbols used in Roman numerals. The value for I is 1 and the value of V is 5. The value of X is 10. The value of L is 50. The value of C is 100 and the value of D is 500. At last, the value of M is 1000. Therefore, the Roman symbols I, V, X, L, C, D, M are mainly used to write the numbers in Roman numerals. To keep these symbols in our mind, I have described here continuous sentence. We can see the sentence, my dear cat loves extra vitamins intensely. So, to keep the Roman symbols in our mind, the sentence is, my dear cat loves extra vitamins intensely. So, my M, so M, D, C, L, X, V and I. So, my dear cat loves extra vitamins intensely. Rules of using these Roman numerals. There are 2 main rules to use while writing the Roman numerals. The first rule, same symbols repeated 3 times at maximum. That is, we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. If the symbol is repeated, we need to perform the addition operation. Let us have an example. I. So the value of I is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. Similarly, let us see one more example. C. So we know that the value of C is 100. And if the symbol is repeated, what is the operation we need to do? The operation is addition. Therefore, 100 plus 100 plus 100 which is equal to 300. Therefore, the value of 3 C's is equal to 300. So, when we have the symbols like this, that is X, the symbol is repeated 4 times. So, it is not acceptable to write the symbols in continuation after a maximum of 3 times. That is, we can write a symbol only 3 times. Rule number 2. Larger number next a smaller number. We need to perform the operation addition. Let us consider the smaller number be I. So, the value of I is equal to 1. So, largest number, the value of V is equal to 5. So, if we place VI, that is the larger number, then the smaller number. Therefore, Vi 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Okay, smallest number, next larger number, we need to subtract. That is IV. I is a smaller number, V is a larger number. So smaller number, larger number. So small, large, we need to subtract the value. That is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Let us move on to exercise 1.4 in detail. First problem. Convert the following into Hindu-Arabic numerals. First, A subdivision LV. Let us write these symbols separately, and the value of L is equal to 50. Value of V is equal to 5. So, larger number. This is smaller number. So, larger number, then comes the smaller number. We need to perform the operation addition. So, 50 plus 5, which is equal to 55. So, the value of LV equal to 55. B question, L, X, X, V, I. We write these symbols separately. L, X, X, V, I. The value of L is 50, X is 10, V is 5, I is 1. So larger number, smaller number. So we need to perform the operation addition. So the same numbers are repeated. So we need to perform the operation addition. Larger number, smaller number. Again we need to perform the operation addition. Larger number, smaller number. We need to perform the operation addition. Again the numbers are repeated here. Therefore we need to perform the operation addition. So 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 5, 75. 76, 77. Therefore the value of L, X, X, V, I is equal to 77. Second question, write the Roman numerals for the following numbers. A subdivision 42. 42 can be written as 40 plus 2. And 40 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. But we cannot write like that. Why? Based on rule number 1. We cannot be able to repeat the numbers a maximum of 3 times. So, we need to write this 40 as 50 minus 10. So, 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40, and plus 2. So, if we have a subtraction operation here, then we need to write the symbol of 10 first, then 50 second. So, the symbol for 10 is X and the symbol for 50 is L. Therefore, XL is the symbol for 50 minus 10. Plus 2. So, plus I. So, we need to write all these things. So, 42 equal to XLI. B question 57. So, 57 can be written as 50 plus 7. Therefore, the symbol for 50 is L, and we know that 7 can be written as 5 plus 1 plus 1. Therefore, 50 can be written as L, and 5 plus 1 equal to VII. Therefore, the value of 57 can be written as LVII. The third question C, 98. So, 98 can be written as 90 plus 8. So, 90 can be written as 100 minus 10, and 8 can be written as 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So, if we have the subtraction operation, we need to write the symbol of the second number first and first number second. Therefore, we get as XC plus VII. Therefore, the value of 98 can be written as X, C, V, I. Third question. Form 4 Roman numerals using the letters I and V. It's very simple, right? So we can write IV. The value of IV is equal to 4. And VI, the value of VI is equal to 6. And VII, the value of VII is 7. And VIII, that is the value of VII is 8. So, using the letters I and V, we can form 4, 6, 7 and 8. Form 4 Roman numerals using the letters I, V and X. So, the first letter will be XIV, which is equal to 14. XVI, the value of XVI is 16. Then XVII, the value of XVI is 17. And XVII, which is equal to 18. Therefore, we can form using the letters I, V and X or 14, 16, 17 and 18. Thank you, children.